Did you know that doorbells can ring from inside your home? Mine started 3 weeks ago. The first time, I checked the front door immediately. No one there. But the sound definitely came from my kitchen. The second time, it was in my bedroom. Still that same two-note chime. By the fifth day, I disconnected the doorbell completely. It kept ringing anyway. Last night, I heard it in my bathroom at 2 a.m. Then again from the closet 10 minutes later. Each chime sounds more urgent now, like someone's getting impatient.